Good morning, everyone. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options with your morning market preparation video for November 22nd, 2017. So, our last trading day here before Thanksgiving, and we have several things to consider. First off, yesterday, beautiful move. We did end up triggering that short squeeze yesterday and really put the bears in kind of a tough position. Let's take a look. I want to show you just a really quick 5-minute chart here. Now, I'm not much of a intraday type trader here on anything, but if you take a look at the diamonds here, what happened is we popped up in the morning, and you can see this short squeeze triggering. We popped up in the morning, we took a little bit of a break right here near price resistance, and then here came the bulls pushing to drive through to new highs. So we had an amazing run yesterday. Considering, this close to a holiday, just a beautiful move in the market. Now, those of us that happen to stay long the market and not succumb to the temptation of trying to predict this as a top, we did really well yesterday. Right Way Options members took profits in several trades yesterday. One of the highest, somewhere around 48% return. One of the lowest was just short of a 20% return. So, and we took several of those off yesterday. So we had a very, very good day. Just sticking with the market trend. Let's take a look at the SPY. SPY breaking to new record highs, as did the diamonds, by the way, broke to new record highs. SPY breaking new record highs and moving on up. It's beautiful, beautiful move yesterday, popping through there with considerable strength. Let's take a peek at the Qs. Qs did the same thing, blasting off through that level, ignoring that resistance and just powering forward, continuing this amazing trend for this year and this bull run that just truly historic bull run that just continues to go and go and go. Let's take a look at IWM. Now, IWM just made a complete 180 reversal after testing a low down here, blasted right through all of this price resistance like it wasn't even there, just sliced right through, and closing at a new record high itself. Now, this morning we're looking at the futures pointing to a positive open. We still have a considerable amount of news yet to come out this morning that could move us around. But as of right now, the diamonds, if we go back to the Dow, the diamonds are suggesting somewhere close to about a 50-point gap up, maybe just short of that, but looking for a gap up this morning, just adding more and more pressure to those poor bears who happen to anticipate the market falling. And we're seeing that rally throughout the indexes, continuing to push higher. So keep an eye on that. Now, I would suggest that what's very likely is after the morning pop, after the morning rush, we're going to see volumes drop dramatically. As we know, today is what most people would call getaway day. Anybody that hasn't already taken off for their holiday plans or trips will be looking to do that today. So after this morning pop, don't be at all surprised to see volumes drop dramatically. And the reason I bring that up is just to suggest not to chase. I know there'll be great signals today and great charts, and the temptation to chase into this new move will be high. I, on the other hand, am doing exactly the opposite. I'm reducing my risk as we go forward into this holiday. I have been selling all week. In fact, I am about as light in my account on my swing trading account that I have been in a very long time. We all know holidays attract all kinds of kooky actions. We could see, the goofball over there in North Korea kick up his feet, do something. We could see, who knows what could happen. And I just don't want to have to worry about that over the holidays. So I'm taking profits where ever they've been presented, and there's been a substantial number of them. So just planning to go into this holiday light. The market will be open again next week, obviously. Well, I should say it's closed on Thursday. It is open half day on Friday, but expect there also very light volumes. I would not recommend doing any trading there. And then Monday we'll come back to work. I will still expect some light volume on Monday, as many traders will be extending their holiday vacations past the holiday itself. So watch for that, and the market will be there. We can always add trades. We don't have to chase or rush into the market. Enjoy your holiday. Don't get caught up in this. Let's take a quick look in the VIX. The VIX continuing to collapse here. It tried to hold there temporarily, but yesterday showed a really nice collapse. The pop-up this morning, we could actually come back down here and test these lows again. That would be something down here at these historic levels in the VIX. So let's keep an eye on that. Bulls are certainly in charge at the moment. Let's take a peek at that T21 22. This T21 22 is nothing more than here we go. Nothing more. Whoops, that's not right. Nothing more than the 4-week new high, new low ratio. And you can see when we reach up here toward these really high points, we reach a reversal zone. And same thing is true down here. And that's very consistent. Look, just follow history. It's extremely consistent how that works. Now, we're reaching up here toward that level, that upper level, but there's nothing up here that's suggesting that we're going to fall. And we can pop around up in here for quite a while as the momentum continues to carry us up. So don't expect this to just be immediate sell-off, is what I'm saying. Watch, there could be some really good long trades popping up next week, and great trading still to be had. So be careful there. As we move forward throughout the morning, watch those volumes probably drop off. And remember, we have the FOMC minutes this afternoon. That is a second reason why volumes could easily get very light and choppy as we wait for those FOMC minutes to come out at 2 p.m. Eastern time today. Taking a quick look at that economic calendar, just to give you a quick synopsis, we have at 8:30 we have durable goods orders. Expecting good numbers here on durable goods. Also expecting jobless claims to rise a little bit as a result of the hurricanes in Puerto Rico. Consumer sentiment is probably going to remain at historic highs here, and the petroleum status report has actually been hurting us a little bit. Oil has been, supplies have been increasing with demands dropping, and that is obviously affecting oil prices. Now, perhaps, the cold winter months and things will start to change that here soon. FOMC minutes will be out at 2 p.m. today, so keep an eye on that. We had about 30 or so earnings reports on the calendar today, one of those being John Deere, and John Deere obviously reported extremely well, gapping up here this morning, and that's really helping to push the Dow higher. So with that, everyone, if you have not seen these videos before, please do me a favor and click on that subscribe button and the follow me button on Facebook. And obviously, I really appreciate those thumbs up buttons being clicked and comments being dropped. I want to wish everyone a very, very happy holiday and a safe holiday. We'll see you all right back here. By the way, there will be a Friday video, and you can expect that Friday morning as normal. Everyone be safe. Eat lots of turkey. Enjoy your friends and family. And I will talk to you all very soon. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.